Hey, this is Richard here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda CR-V LX in that beautiful lunar silver. I've got that vehicle right here. I can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. It's got a backup camera, it's got Bluetooth, and a whole lot more. Can't wait to show you all the features in person. Give me a call at 205-541-2862. I'll set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, this is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. If I can promise you one thing when you get to Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.